Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Yes? Even I am too. Dear students, I would like to begin our today's class with the thought: education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. I repeat, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Yes, my dear students, with this thought, I, Poonam Tripathi, welcome you all to our today's online class. My dear children, you know that we have already done the grammar portion of July month syllabus, as well as we have done our MCB chapter number 3 also. Okay, so what we are going to do today? Students, today we will do writing skills, right? And what we are going to do in this? Students will see formal letters. Okay, we'll see application also, right? We'll see the application to principal. All right, so are you ready? In this, I'm going to tell you about the rules or the guidelines that are very important while writing the application. Okay, so the students, one more thing is there: the classwork questions you have to write in the classwork portion, as well as the homework portion you will do in the homework. Okay, so are you ready now? Shall we start? Okay, so here we go. So shall we start the PPT now? So okay, are you ready? So let's start. See students, the first of all, you know very well that in our school, if you have to ask anything to your principal, if you want to make any request to your principal, or if you want any sick leave or any type of leave, right? What you have to write? You have to write application for it. Now, what is the meaning of application? So let's see that. The meaning of application. Application to principal. Students of school write principal application letter to their principal or headmaster to get leave for a short period of time. At some point in time, we need to take leave from school, but we get the leave if we write the application letter mentioning the reason behind it to the concerned person. It is essential to submit an application to the principal when you are planning to go out for a few days with family or friends, or if your health is not well and the doctor has advised you to take rest. So students, have you understood the meaning of application? When you have to write the application, when you want to make a request to the principal, right? And you have to state the exact reason for it, that why you want that leave, right? Why you are writing that application, you have to write that particular reason for it. Now let's move. Now, what are the tips to write an application to the principal? Yes, dear students, it is very important that you must know how to write an application. What are the tips? What are the rules? What are the guidelines that you have to follow? It is very important, right? Now, let's see this. The first is, write the application in a respectful manner that expresses the request of leave and sounds real. Yes, your language should be respectful. Okay? Now, next is, mention the purpose specifically for which you are appealing to leave. You have to mention the purpose properly, that why you want leave. Next is, the base of the application should be maintained. Alright? The application should be concise and to the point. Alright? It should be to the point. Make sure what you write is relevant to the subject. Should be relevant. Make sure there are no grammatical or spelling mistakes. Yes, there should be no grammatical or spelling mistakes. So this you have to take care. The tone of the letter must be polite, even if you are complaining. Even if you are writing any complaint letter or anything, but the language, the tone should be polite. It must be polite. Okay. Next is, present your letter Well, so students, these are the guidelines or the rules that you have to follow while writing a letter. See, application is also a form of formal letter that we write in our school. We write to the principal. Okay, let's see the primary things to be mentioned in an application to the principal. Okay, so these are the primary things that you have to mention while writing application to the principal. And what they are? They are address of principal. Here you have to mention school, name, city. All right. Then you have to mention the date of your writing. When you are writing the application, you have to write that particular date. Okay. Next is subject. Application for leave means what is the subject of writing it. Then salutation. Salutation means what? Like we write respected sir, respected ma'am, like that. That is salutation. The way you address the person. Now, reason for your leave. Now, what is the reason for asking or seeking the leave? That reason should be mentioned very well. Now, leave period, numbers of days. If you are asking for leave, right, if you are writing application for leave, then you have to mention the numbers of days. You have to mention the numbers of days, for how many days you want that leave. Then complimentary clause, like thanking you, yours sincerely. Now see here, you can write yours sincerely, faithfully, even obediently also you can write. Then name and signature and class and section, right? Like this you have to, or means these are the points that you have to include while writing application to the principal, right? Okay, so see, for writing application, the reasons may be many. Maybe it is a sick leave, then you have to write the reason for leave, or the numbers of days you want leave for, that you have to mention. Or if you are writing this application for some other purpose, then you have to write that purpose. It is not always that you are asking leave because you are sick, right? It may be for any reason. You are going to attend some marriage function, right? Or if you have some other problem or any health problem is there. So application we can write for many other purpose also. But the main thing is that the reason should be mentioned very well, right? So these are the points that you have to include there. All right. Now let's move forward. Now, this is the format, right? This is the format, and this you have to write in the classwork notebook, right? You have made classwork notebook, so there you have to mention so these things should be there, right? The format. Now let's see. First of all, address of the principal, school name, city should be mentioned, date will come, subject, application for leave, right? Subject will come there, salutation will come, then comes body, and this body includes all the things, means it includes the reason for asking leave, right? Numbers of days, or if you are writing for any other purpose, then all that thing should be included in the body. Then comes complimentary clause. Complimentary clause means you can write here hoping for consideration, right? Then comes thanking you. Then yours sincerely, faithfully, even you can write obediently, right? Then name and signature of the person who is writing, then class and section. Or if the person is, if the student is a head boy or head girl, then that designation can also come there. Okay, so this is the format of writing application, right? Students, you have to write this in your notebook, in your classwork notebook. Okay, now let's move. Now this is your question number 1. Okay, let's see. Now students, let's see the question number 1. Write a letter to the principal of your school asking to organize a 2-day excursion to Delhi. Right? Now, what is the meaning of excursion, students? Excursion means an educational trip. Right? These types of excursion trips are usually organized by this school. right? It is very beneficial for the students as it provides lot of information to them, right? So here you are asked to write an application to the principal for the same. Now see, here this is the address of the school. The principal, Pratap's Girls School, New Delhi, 92. Now then date you can see very well, and then the subject is given. Subject, what is the subject? Request for organizing an excursion. Now salutation you can see, respected sir. Right now the body comes. Okay. Most humbly and respectfully, I, Riddhi Sharma of Standard 8th of your school, wants to request you to please organize a 2-day excursion to Delhi. It helps us in our studies in knowing the places of historical importance in Delhi, such as Red Fort, Qutub Minar, Humayun's tomb, etc. It will help us in great deal in our studies. I request you to kindly organize a 2-day excursion to Delhi for the same. I would be grateful if you considered my application. Right? Then, thanking you. This is the complimentary clause. Thanking you. Yours obediently, Riddhi Sharma, Class 8B. Am I clear, students? So, this is question number 1, and you are supposed to do this question in your notebook. Alright, question number 2. Alright, so we are on question number 2. Let's see this. Write an application to the principal of your school to hold a self-defense camp for students. Mention how the camp will be beneficial for students. Dear children, you know very well that nowadays it is very important that every one of us should have a knowledge of self-defense techniques so that we can protect ourselves in any of the condition. Yes? So, this is how to write application to the principal for organizing such type of camps, right? So, here you can see the address of the principal is given. The principal, Vidya Bal Bhavan, Mayur Vihar, phase 3. Now, New Delhi, 96. Then date you can see. Now, subject. To introduce judo and self-defense classes for students. Then salutation you can see. Respected sir. Now, let's see the body of this. With due respect, I would like to suggest you the introduction of judo and self-defense classes for students. As it is very important for everyone to know about self-defense techniques in today's life. There is no one safe, especially girls in today's world. Hence, they should know the self-defense techniques so that they can use them at the right place on right time. Self-defense classes can help students build confidence in themselves. They can develop self-discipline, improve their physical condition and street awareness. Self-defense can aid students particularly when they are walking alone at night after classes. That's the time when students are almost vulnerable to attack. I'm sure that you will think about my points and hold a self-defense classes in our school. Then you can see that complimentary clause is there. Thanking you, yours obediently, Ruchi Singh, class 8C, roll number 13. So students, in this way you can write application to the principal for what? To organize or to hold a self-defense camp for students. Okay, now let's move forward. And now students will see some more applications, right? But these you have to do in your homework. Right? These questions you will do in your homework notebook. Now let's see in your homework portion what you have to do. And this is, write a letter to your principal asking for permission to organize a blood donation camp in your school on World Health Day. So here you have to seek permission so that you can organize a blood donation camp in your school. Right? Now let's see. First of all, the address of the principal. The principal, Vidya Bal Bhavan, Senior Secondary School, Mayur Vihar, phase 3, Delhi. Then date you can see. Now, the subject. seeking permission to arrange a blood donation camp in the school. Okay. Salutation you can see, respected sir. Now let's see the body. We would like to have the honor to draw your kind attention to the fact that we, the students of your school, are highly interested to arrange a blood donation camp in our school campus. In order to accomplish the program, we are eager to observe a blood donation week from 1st July 2020 to 7th July 2020. Right? We therefore pray and hope that your honor would be kind enough to give us permission and necessary assistance to arrange the blood donation program successfully in our school campus. Right? And then what is this? Hoping for consideration, thanking you. Yours sincerely, you can write here faithfully or obediently even. Suraj Singh, class 8th B. Right? So students, this was about this particular application. Right? So now let's move forward. Now this is your second question. Okay? Second homework question. Okay? Write an application to the principal of your school to start English conversation classes for students. Mention how these classes will be beneficial for the students. Right? Now students, you know that it is very important to have a good communication skill. And this is possible only when we converse with others. Right? So this is the application that you have to write regarding asking your principal to start your English conversation classes, right? And how it is beneficial for the students. So regarding that, you have to write an application. Let's see how you will write. First of all, you can see the address of the principal is here. Yes. The principal, Vidya Bal Bhavan School, Mayur Vihar, Phase 3, New Delhi, 96. Date you can see. Subject is English conversation classes for students. Then salutation is there, respected sir. Now let's see the body. I have seen that our school students are struggling very much to make conversation in English with each other with correct pronunciation. English is not a knowledge. It is a global language that will help students to communicate in almost any country they may want to visit. It is the perfect gateway for the employment. Written and verbal skills are often the most important skills that companies look for an employee. Improving English skills will increase students' chances of getting employed. So I request you to commence spoken English classes as early as possible. The major benefit that the students will gain from taking proper spoken English classes is that students can learn to speak fluent. I assure that our school students will excel in all aspects through this spoken English forum. Right, students? So this was the body of the application. Next is your complimentary clause, that is thanking you. Yours sincerely, Ayush Pandey, class 8th D, roll number 25. Right? So students, this was all about the application to the principal. Right? So I hope you understood the format and the important points. Yes? Have you understood? Yeah. What all we have seen in our today's class? Will you tell me? Yes? Do you still remember or not? See, first of all, we have gone through the meaning of application. Yes? And we came to know that we write application to the principal for what? To get leave for a short period of time. And here what we have to remember? We have to write the proper reason for it. Yes? Then next what we saw? We saw the tips to write an application to the principal. What are the rules and regulations, the guidelines that we have to follow? Yes, our application should be concise, it should be to the point, and the matter should be relevant, and the tone of the letter must be polite, and we have to present the letter very well. Yes, and it should be in respectful manner. Isn't it? These were the tips. Then what we saw, the primary things to be mentioned in an application to the principal. What are the essential things? What are the primary things that should be there? That is the address of the principal, date, subject, salutation, then reason for your leave. This is very important. Then leave period, for how many days you want the leave. Then complimentary clause should be there. Thanking you should be there. Yours sincerely, faithfully or obediently. The name and signature, class and section. Yes. These are the points that you have to keep in mind. Then we saw the format also, and students, you have to write this in your notebook. This format, that is address of the principal, school, name, city, then date should come, subject should come, then what comes? Salutation should come, then body should come, yes, then complimentary clause, then thanking you, yours sincerely, faithfully or obediently, then name and signature, class and section, right? So this is the format. Okay, then we have gone through the questions, right? This was your classwork question. Yes, again this is classwork question. This you have to do in your notebook. Then we have done homework questions also. So these homework questions should be in your notebook, homework portion. Yes, so students, I hope that today you have come to know about the format and the way of writing and the tips and all, and the guidelines, rules, you can say. So I'm sure that now you are very much able to write the applications. Yes, so what you have to do today you will complete all this work. You will write the classwork in the classwork notebook and the homework in the homework portion. Yes, and you will complete your work, and then you will go through the content very well and revise it. Okay, so students, that's all for today. Okay, take care, stay home, and thanks for watching.